The Hilarious Adventures of Whiskers the Mischievous Cat. Whiskers, the cat, decided to conquer the towering kitchen counter one fateful afternoon. With a leap of faith, he sent a bowl of fruit tumbling down like a carnival ride. The flying bananas startled the dog, who ran in circles, barking in confusion and disbelief. Whiskers, now feeling like a hero, posed proudly atop the counter, surveying his kingdom. The chaos ended with a fruit salad on the floor and a very grumpy dog glaring up at him. Join us for more hilarious cat tales and subscribe now.